Welcome back to the Multiversx update. Just before we start, I got my crypto Twitter back. So I've got 2 slots open for my mentorship. That's 10 hours of one-to-one video calls with me, as well as a 6-hour crypto video course with 30 plus videos included for free, as well as my crypto Discord chat with 70 people in there for free. Now, even in the last week, we've sent in 2 cryptos that have pumped 100%. So if you want to take action, head over to my new link tree. There's videos every weekday, sorry, my mistake. If you want to support me as a creator, you can do so and write up the thank you paragraph. If you want to just go over to my crypto Twitter, that's over here. But I've also made a new Instagram for those that don't have Twitter, because I know that a lot of you actually don't. And this is where you can either take up on the course that's now permanently discounted to 150 from 300, or you want to do the mentorship, just private message me there. Now for Egld, we've been looking at $45 as a price that we just don't want to lose for many, many months back in summer last year. And yes, we eventually did. And luckily enough, I was saying that means we are going to lose this low. And so we did. Now, reclaiming that is beautiful, but that's just the first step. We need to go ahead and reclaim $45, which was the higher low we were speaking about the whole of summer last year. Now, the higher low is over here on the $45. I was looking pretty much at the close. Now the close was a little bit above at 45.70, but let's round it and bring it back down to exactly 45. So let's just get rid of these numbers over here. There we go, $45, exactly that psychological level. And as long as we are holding this as support, we should head to the range highs, head to the range highs, head to the range highs. Now with FTX capitulating, this is what sent us to new lows, and with reclaiming it on the weekly time frame, this is actually beautiful behavior. So it's only 2 weeks ago that we did actually fully reclaim it. We had some goes over here, a few fake outs, but in reality, if we get rid of that line just for now, you can see that we pushed through the 12 and we're holding it consistently, as well as that 382 fib at $43 very nicely. We were only able to get these Fibonacci's once we had bottomed out. Do you understand that? So from the top hit to the bottoming process, and we're running into this golden pocket, which is tying up quite nicely with our $45. So what I will do, because we were holding $45 here with that weekly close, as well as these here and the weekly closes over here, with this inverse head and shoulders here for Egld Multiversx, I'm going to draw this area of, now it is this golden pocket over here, but I can drag it down a little bit. So I'm going to make this golden, because it's not really either support or resistance. You can see the outside was acting as resistance. Now you're inside, the bottom is support, but equally the top is resistance. So I'm going to make it gold because we're not completely clear out of here yet. Once we are above this level, I'm pretty sure I'll make it green, guys. Do you understand that? Or what I can do, oh no, it's a bit confusing, is if I have this green, yeah, we can do that. We can do that. So I have this green over here, and we're simply waiting for that 618 $51 to be broken. So that nice $51 level. We have validated this inverse head and shoulders over here. So I will grab the target for you from the lowest body candle close back up to the neckline, where we see a break signaling a pump towards $60. This is essentially what we've been reiterating in the last L1 updates. I don't think I made one last week, but in the last L1 update, we were essentially saying we're trying to head back up to $70. And to get up to $70, we must stay above 45. Now, this will bring a lovely pump from 45 to 70 of about 54%. We are currently up 8% on the journey. We topped at about 20%, but now, yeah, we're currently dipping basically. And all we need to do is just hold above $45, and we should get this continuation, as is the technical target, out of this inverse head and shoulders. And this target is still being kept valid. Do you understand that? By staying above $45, by even just getting above it, you've validated this target of $60. Now, it's not quite the range high, understand that, but it's at least showing us that it wants to head in that general direction, where, again, if we're above the 20 weekly over here, and with the last week actually confirming this 20 weekly bullish moving average as support, it should signal actually a pump beyond $70, and actually from current price all the way up 50% to $73. So do you see that we could be getting this move that actually puts in a new higher high above 69? Now this would be very bullish on the weekly time frame. A higher high on the weekly time frame would signal a newly formed uptrend. Now all we need to see going forward are higher lows. So first of all, we got this low over here. Yes, this was a sideways correction. You can see many candles, so we can say that, yeah, you've come down to here. This is your new higher low. But really, I want to see the end of this pump, and then I want to see us coming back down, and I want to see quite a beautiful higher low, a bigger correction that confirms this green area of support, and then we go up for continuation. This is what I would like to see. It wouldn't be good enough just coming down like this. I want to continue going up. Now that we've held the 20, we need to see consistency. So we've held the 20 weekly moving averages and moving average as support. So this signals that, okay, we should continue with our uptrend. Again, I've just showed you the 50% move up towards here. I'm going to show you the move towards the blue moving average as well, 65%. So anywhere between 50 and 65%, anywhere between $70 to $80 for Egld. And this is simply because we saw 1 week where we closed above the 20 and the following week actually holding it as support. Now, yes, what I would say before we get a bit too excited is, yes, we're trapped between this as support and this as resistance. So we're waiting, we're simply waiting. Will 47 give in? Will 45 and $47 give in and we lose the support and we invalidate this target? Remember, guys, this target, this pump towards 60, 70 and $80 will only happen as long as we are above 45. So what I must say is, if Bitcoin stops behaving, please watch my Bitcoin updates. At the end of this video, it'll be linked. I'll also link it in the top right corner as well on the info card. But please understand that we will, all of this target here, and this target here should happen as long as we are above this green box, because the moving averages say so. However, guys, please understand, the moment we are losing this green box, these targets are no longer happening. It is as simple as that. Okay, but for now, I can't say that. I can't say that we're no longer going up, because what I do see with my own eyes, and all of you as well, is that we are above this green box. We are above these moving averages, which for over a year, pretty much, we've been underneath them. Okay, guys. So this is the first time in a long while that we're pushing through these key moving averages, and we're now just looking for that continuation to the 55 and the 69 moving average, which would be pumps of from current price. First target being 25%, second target being 50%, and third target being 65% for potential pullback. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Again, if you want to take action on the course or just support me as a creator and send me a thank you paragraph, you can do so over here. If you want to take action on the course, whether that's through my crypto Twitter or my Instagram, please do follow me on both. This is my backup as well. So follow me on all of these. Turn on the notification bell for all of them. I'm going to be on Instagram showing you more results on my Instagram of past students on my stories, and crypto Twitter for further updates during the day if there's anything important like alerts of what's going on the chart. Again, guys, I've got 2 slots for the mentorship, so please do message me on my Insta or crypto Twitter and we'll get you started this week. Otherwise, I do have the course that's 6 hours long and 30+ videos that will teach you from zero knowledge into self-sufficient trader, and that's now discounted from $300 to $150. I'll catch you guys in the next update. But yeah, the link tree is linked underneath this video in the comment section. That is, it's pinned as well, so it's right at the top of the comment section. Thank you guys.